In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter X ad on Visme. By the end, you'll be able to design a clean, on-brand ad in just a few minutes, using Visme's templates and assets to make the process fast and reliable. Start by opening Visme and heading to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Twitter X ad. This helps you jump straight to layouts that are sized and structured for the platform, so you won't waste time guessing proportions or reworking spacing later. You'll see a gallery of options with different styles, from bold promotional designs to minimal editorial looks. Choose a template that matches your brand personality and your campaign goal. If your ad focuses on a single product or announcement, look for a layout with a strong headline area and one dominant visual. If you're highlighting a feature set or an event, pick a design with clear sections so your message stays easy to scan on mobile. Use the preview to check readability and hierarchy before you commit. Next, customize the text, images, and colors so the ad reflects your message. Click into the headline and write a concise hook that states the benefit or offer right away. Keep copy short and punchy. Twitter X users scroll quickly. Then add a direct call to action like learn more, shop now, or register today. Replace any placeholder image by uploading your own visuals or selecting from Visme's stock library. Choose high-resolution images with ample negative space so your text remains readable. Adjust cropping and alignment to center the subject and avoid covering key elements. For colors, apply your brand palette or enter your exact hex codes. Maintain strong contrast between text and background to improve accessibility and visibility on small screens. If needed, add a semi-transparent overlay behind text to increase clarity without changing your imagery. To enhance the design, open the Assets panel and add icons, shapes, or graphics that support your message. Search for icons that match your theme and stick to a consistent style, outlined or filled, so everything feels cohesive. Use shapes to frame your call to action or guide the eye toward important details, and keep spacing generous to prevent clutter. Leverage alignment and snapping tools to maintain balance, and limit decorative elements to what truly adds meaning. Before you wrap up, do a quick pass. Read your copy out loud for clarity, check that the visuals look sharp, and confirm that your colors and typography feel on brand. That's it. Your Twitter X ad in Visme is ready to capture attention.